Oh, what's happening, fools? Another day, another raw chicken. What's going on? Today the raw chicken smells kinda funny. A little stronger smell than usual. When the hell I'm gonna get the salmon Nutella? What's going on? Is this day 48, 49, something like that? This can't be another lie. We're discovering the Illuminati lies one by one, exposing the CEO of Illuminati. Man, I would like to meet that guy. Or a gal. It's probably a guy. Or the guys that run it. When it comes to health, they have done fantastic job. To make us not understand what health is. I mean, nobody really teaches about it, or they do, but it's working just how it's supposed to work, I think, because nobody understands what the fuck is going on with health in the real life when you talk to people. I'm kinda known as this health guy for some of my friends and people I know, so it's always funny when people ask some questions from me. You can see where their consciousness level is at when it comes to health. And obviously you can see it easier if you just follow YouTube or Instagram or anything and just see what's the popular stuff. Like some people are only finding out like seed oils and processed food are unhealthy at 2024. Better late than never though. Not hating that, but it goes to show where people are at. They did one fantastic job to perverting our views on health at the top of the Illuminati pyramid. They made the food pyramid. That is complete garbage. Let's see. Here's how you know we don't know anything about health. We are obsessed about weight loss. That's the number one probably. And calories. How many calories do we eat? How many calories can we burn doing this or that? Running, heat workouts, tabata, whatever the fuck. Like, actually healthy people never think about that. Like, it never crosses healthy people's minds about the calories, how many calories the raw chicken has. How many calories am I eating? How many calories am I burning? Weight loss? Bro, when you eat natural foods, you wanna think about weight gain more than weight loss. I eat every day, like as much as I want, and force probably some days to eat a little bit more, because it's so easy to lose weight rather than gain weight, and especially gain fat with the raw foods and like natural foods, animal products, fruits, berries, wild caught berries, fish, all that stuff. It's almost impossible to gain weight. Your weight is just naturally where it is. You never think about weight loss. never think about anything associated with weight loss or weight gain like calories and such. It's just insane. Also, especially malnourished people, vegans, I was there myself, vegetarians, and other people who eat like garbage are obsessed about supplements, vitamins, minerals, and I would say this is step below in the insanity level from the calories in, calories out, and calorie talk and weight loss talk. It's good to know about macronutrients, minerals, vitamins, all that, how they work, where do you get them. But when you eat the natural foods, you never really think about it because I think your body knows it's getting everything, so it doesn't make you think about it. But when I was vegan for years, I was like chronometering up everything, like so many vegans doing YouTube and stuff, because you get obsessed with the nutrients because your body doesn't get them enough. But when you get them enough, your body's like, chill, there's no reason to think about it because it's just getting them. But it's still good to know where to get them. And it's the animal foods, animal fats, organs, the more naturally grown animals, the better. Wild caught, it's always better, more nutrients. Rice better than cooked? Maybe, maybe not. You destroy the nutrients when you cook them or not? Denature the protein or not? Then, for men, we have real fucked up views on health. We think big muscles, six packs, all that is healthy. When in general, like strong bones or big bones, height, and maybe some musculature, like natural amounts. It's a signal of high testosterone, I think. So some muscles, a little bit of six pack maybe, maybe not. Depends on your genetics. And big bones, tall, that is sign of health. But we are again perverted, if that's the right word to use here, to mean like this insane amount of muscles, athletes, steroid users, all that. Like young boys look up to that. And those are the people who die the earliest because every stress and athletic sports, going to the gym, all that is incredible amount of stress for your body. And if you start using drugs and stuff, like nobody thinks that's healthy because it's not. Like these people who do that for many years, from childhood to 20s to 30s to even 40s and 50s, if they get there, because these people die very early, heart attacks, strokes. Now that's even increased because of COVID times, making the progress a little faster. But most of the bodybuilders, they die at their 40s or 50s or early 60s. They eat absolute garbage, these supplements, use drugs, drug addicts. And young men, they see them, they look at the muscles and they've seen the muscles in their favorite anime characters. And they're like, wow, I want to be there. That looks cool. This is my way to get pussy and some attention in this world. But that's the trap. We are made it cool. We kinda think it's healthy or it's hip, it's trendy, but it actually leads to deterioration, early death, aging much faster than we should. That's the trap for men. When you eat natural again, depending on your genetics, you're gonna maximize your potential pretty easy. It's super easy to gain a little bit of muscle doing some calisthenics or whatever you find fun. And obviously some people with more genetic gifts gain muscle easier. That's the reality of it. But if you eat especially raw meats, you're gonna maximize your own potential, natural potential. And you're gonna have to accept that if you wanna do it. For the girls, it's just as tough. They're obsessed with this skinny look. Shredded. That's for both men and women, being shredded. No body fat. Especially for women, that's very bad. Women have much higher body fat percentage in nature. And I would say it's a bit more attractive too when you have a little bit of tits and ass, maybe a little bit belly as a woman. And overall it's just much more healthier for women. Obviously there might be some exceptions to the rule again, like with everything. With some genetics you might be able to be more shredded because that's healthy for you if you eat the right foods. And for some it's more natural to be higher body fat. But anyway, women are so obsessed with it. Many people, I've had ex-girlfriends and people I know who have anorexia, bulimia and stuff. And that's really sad because they're programmed to think being really skinny is healthy and what attracts the males, when in reality it's not so. I applaud to you, CEO of Illuminati. We don't know what foods are healthy, what not. Like I said, some people just finding out like seed oils and seeds overall. Many people are not there yet. Many people still think grains are good for you. Or any kind of seeds. Coffee, that's seed. Legumes, those are seeds. Vegetables, that's a big one. Many people still think these man-made cultivated vegetables are very healthy. Gotta eat the rainbow. What about the anti-nutrients? What about they are man-made? You cannot find most of them in the nature. What about that? But you can find raw chicken in nature. And many kind of raw birds. Those are in the nature. And I'm all out of raw chicken. So, see ya!